Yo, what's going on? Welcome back, YouTube. All my ladies and gentlemen who might be watching. Glad to have you back. Today's a little different. Today I want to talk about, some of you might not know, but I'm a proud father. And might have even seen in the past, one of my kids helped me out with the, one of my projects, helping me with the filming and stuff. The Man-Cat military truck. My kid Tim was helping out. Shout out to Tim. But I also have a 6-year-old who I am proud to say is finally getting into the sport and gave a first run. I gave him his first drive in the house the other day, and he did so much better than I expected. I figured it was time to take him out. So I took him out for his first run, just went to the park, let him do some basic obstacles and some trees and stuff and some tree roots, just ride around the grass, and the kid was just amazing. So shout out to Dylan. But I gotta say, I'm really proud. It's a proud moment for 2 reasons. One, my son drove my Corolla, baby of course. And 2, he already had his first mishap. That's right, he busted a drive shaft. So the rear is just, let's see there, no bueno. So what better excuse to pick up some new drive shafts from Hot Racing. So yeah, you know, I picked these out simply aesthetics. They look really good. I know they're gonna match that really well. I'm gonna get some red ones, but I like the red trimming on this, but I just went with these. And Hot Racing is a great brand. I have them in a lot of my stuff, including in my DR10. So I figured I'd make a quick vid. Just gonna throw those in, a little upgrade, well needed. And like I said, this thing is unstoppable, so I guess, you know, has his weakness somewhere. But yeah, enough being said, let me just get these all switched out. Alrighty, got those in there. Give me a little bit of a headache, as you see, one part of it, but no big deal. Pretty good, huh? I'm happy to get out there, start messing around, doing some hijinks. Look at that, I just realized that's broken. Man, this thing takes a beating. You can look forward to some more vids. I'm gonna get this thing out there more. This thing is the best toy, man. SCX10. I'm so happy that my son is able to enjoy it with me now. And he's really, really good, too. You know, no surprise. But, yeah, he does have a good teacher. If I do toot my horn a little bit. But, no, seriously speaking, I'm really, really happy to be able to share that with my son. It's such a growing and bonding thing. I'm sure a lot of you guys know, have family. It doesn't have to be your son or something, but even a close friend. RCing is really a good way to bond and connect and release stress. And, you know, with all the crazy things in the world going on now, it's really cool to have something that you can just go let loose on. And it's even better when you have someone someone special to share it with. So I'm proud that you know, I'm a proud father. I'm proud that I have my son to share with, and that he's really interested in it. And I know that we have a long future growing together doing that. So thumbs up for that. But yeah, that concludes it. I got some more updates coming with the flatbed. Excuse me. I got a couple of those. I got a couple of goodies that came in. I'll make a vid on that soon. But yeah, it's time to enjoy baby for a little while. But thanks for tuning in, everyone. And as usual, Coach here signing out. Peace.